Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening settings and getting to display controls quickly. Tap accessibility, then display and text size. This moves you past control center shortcuts so you can change the core behavior. Once there, locate auto brightness. Older iOS may keep it under display and brightness instead, so check both. You're doing this to control when the sensor adjusts light. Disabling or toggling here ensures consistent brightness instead of unpredictable. You now toggle auto brightness to change how the phone responds to light. If you turn it off, make sure to set a comfortable brightness with the control center slider so the screen stays steady. This is useful in constant light conditions. If you leave it on, the sensor and True Tone will adapt automatically to save battery and reduce eye strain. Adjust to your preference, and remember why you chose that setting so future changes are intentional. Finish by testing in varied lighting. Bright outdoors and dim indoors to confirm behavior matches your choice. If the toggle won't stick or brightness still jumps, restart the iPhone first. That clears temporary sensor glitches. If problems persist, make sure iOS is updated, and as a last resort, reset settings to restore default display behavior. This keeps data but resets system preferences. One key tip: if sensor hardware fails, only a repair will stop erratic brightness.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.